Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat the glass in your car so that when you're driving over 30 miles an hour, you don't even have to use your wipers. The water just sheets and beads off and you're good to drive in any condition, whether it's snow, rain, sleet, hail, maybe not hail. You get the idea. Let's get to it. So of course with detailing, there's a lot of products offered on the market that do the same thing. In the past, I haven't really tried any ceramic type coatings for the windshields, but I've tried Jet Seal from Chemical Guys, and that worked pretty well, but it's not very durable. It doesn't last long at all, especially if you do use your wipers. It'll just wipe off and degrade over time very quickly. So today I'm going to be using a ceramic coating by CarPro. This is called Flyby 30. Hence the name. So when you're going over 30 miles per hour, the water should just fly off. You don't have to use your wipers or anything, and it should last about 2 years. All right, first step, since we have a BMW, going to put the wipers in service mode. So to do that, we just switch the ignition off one time, press it one more time, and then we hold up on the windshield wiper lever. Alright, so press the lever down on my F30. So now we can lift up the blades, and that'll be out of the way. Alright, to start, I'm just going to use the eraser that it came with and just give the windshield a wipe down. I did wash the car yesterday, so that's going to help for sure. But I just want to make sure we can get everything nice and clean for the polish. So I'm just using like a waffle weave microfiber cloth. Before we polish, I'm going to go ahead and mask off the surrounding trim with some tape, just because we don't want to mess it up while we're polishing. Alright, so since my car is pretty new, the windshield isn't very scratched up at all. So I'm not going to use a machine, I'm just going to use the polishing block that came with the kit. So I'm just going to use the Ceraglass, just put a few drops, and then just go ahead and polish it down in circular motions. Go ahead and shut my garage just because the lighting's better. Yeah, what this will do is it'll remove any minor scratches and any like road film that's on the road from driving in the rain. All the cars just shooting up dirt and stuff at you. So let's look at the surface nice and prepped for the coating. Just want to keep applying polish as it gets dry. It's getting dry pretty fast. So I want to use a good amount of product here just to make sure we can get everything, and then we have ample cutting power, I guess. Once we get done polishing the glass, just want to wait a few minutes for the polish to dry, and once that's done, you can go ahead and spray on the eraser and just wipe it down. So eraser is specifically designed to be an intense oil and polish removing spray. So it's like alcohol based and it works really well. And my windshield is going to be like crystal clear after this. Can't wait to go drive it after. Got that crystal clear vision. Make sure I don't miss any polish. Get it all removed. All right, now we're ready to apply our coating. Flyby 30. So go ahead and just give it a few shakes, and then we can Apply a few drops. All right, you can just go ahead and apply to the windshield in a crosshatch pattern. All right, go ahead and put a little bit more on. All right, I'm gonna go across this way. All right, so that's the first layer down on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and do the driver's side. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wait, like 2 to 3 minutes to let it haze and I guess cure. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 more layers of the coating on the front windshield. And I'm only gonna do 3 layers on the front. For the rest of the windows, I'll go ahead and just do 1 layer since it'll never be hit by wipers eventually. I'm not gonna have to use wipers at all at first, I hope. So once you do your final layer on the front windshield, if you see any more streaks after a few minutes, you just wanna go ahead and take your applicator, don't put any more ceramic coating on it, leave it as it is, and just go ahead and wipe it down once more, and you should be good. And last but not least, you wanna go ahead and coat your wipers as well. I went ahead and picked up some brand new ones. These are gonna be perfect. I'll go ahead and just wipe these down with some eraser real quick and then apply some Flyby 30 because my old ones are going bad on me, so might as well pick up some new ones and get everything freshly coated. All right, so to take off the original wipers, it's really easy. You just wanna press this down and lift up and it's out. For the new wipers, you just wanna hook them right here, pull down, and then you can squeeze the tabs in. My glove got caught. And then, yep, you're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. A nice and quick video again. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment below. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for future content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.